Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. You join me today. We're not doing a review, we're not doing anything like that. Today I'm going to do my hobby today and I'm going to take you along for the ride today. We're currently heading up the A977 and we're not in the van today. We're in the Benz today. So we're heading up the A977. For anyone who knows, that is in Fife. We are heading to Knockhill racing circuit today because I am a Marshal. Back to racing. Motorsport UK have put protocols in order and gave us all things that we have to be doing. So today I'm heading off to Knockhill along with the rest of the Orange Army. A big shout out to the SMRC, the Scottish Motor Racing Club. I'm a Marshal affiliated with them, and today they've put all the procedures in place. They've got everything ready and we're finally gonna go racing. But as you can imagine guys, whilst on track I'm not going to get much recording done. I'll try and set up the GoPro, see if I can get some wee bits and pieces through that. But apart from that, it's just going to be a drive up. I might give you a wee lap of the circuit later on. Got the GoPro set up in the Benz and I need to go down the circuit to get to the post. So hopefully we'll get some track footage while we're out there. I'll try and set up the GoPro at some point during the day. So as I say, we're heading up the A977 towards Pow Mill. We'll take a right and we'll go towards Knockhill racing circuit for the first races of this season. This is going to be the SLS and the MOTORSPORT. So unfortunately there is no crowds today, there are no spectators, but apart from that we'll be fine. There's some cracking bikes heading up the road. If that's any of you guys, give us a shout out later on when this gets posted online. I will tag Knockhill in it and I will tag the SMRC in it. But for now, let's get on the road again. So guys, we're here, we're at Knockhill. Just give you a little idea of the view that I've got today. Let's take a walk out. So there we are, we're post 4, which is chicane. So everyone will come down from into McIntyre's, down here, then up through chicane, and then from there they'll come all the way around up to Clark's at the top, then onto railway. So yes guys, that's today's view. So this is what I do when I'm not detailing. Yes, cars, it's just my passion guys. Motorsport, you can't beat it. I'll try and get some footage of the cars going around later on. As I say, it's a bit hard. I'm a flag marshal today, so I'm in charge of all the flags that are happening at this part of the circuit. So we'll finish this here. I'll try and cut in some footage of the cars going around the track. If not, I'll come back on later on and we'll let you know how everything went. Again, a big thank you to the SMRC, Scottish Motor Racing Club, for helping the Knockhill staff and everything with Marshal in the day. As I say, we have SLS and we have the new category, which is MOTORSPORT. So hopefully guys, I'll see you in a bit. So guys, there you go, that's a day in the life of a valeter when he's not valeting any motors. Thank you very much for watching guys. I hope this has been slightly different for you, just a little bit of an escape from the norm. I managed to capture some footage as well, so hopefully you've had a quick look at that and seen what that's all about. But again, thank you very much guys. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button. Please give us a subscribe. The usual content on the channel is reviews, how-tos, and some hints and tips on detailing and things like that. So for the night guys, I'm going to go in and enjoy the drive home in the Benz, and I'll catch you on part number 3 of our series that we're currently running. That should hopefully be uploaded hopefully around about Wednesday-ish, I reckon. But again guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.